Hey, what up, everybody? It's me, Amrinder Singh. I teach people conversational type Punjabi and tell the difference between informal and formal Punjabi. I break down the Punjabi language, the way Punjabi native speakers speak, step by step, so you English speaker can understand it better. So if your goal is understand native Punjabi people and learn the conversational type Punjabi, then hit the subscribe button and press notification bell button because when I upload the video so you don't miss any. So today we're going to learn what to do when you stuck in the conversation. Alright, first we are gonna learn about if somebody is speaking Punjabi so fast in that situation, what you should do. You should tell them to slow down. Well, how would you say it in Punjabi? You can say Holi bol, Holi bol. It means speak slowly. Or if somebody is elder, then you can say Holi bolo. Another thing you need to keep in your mind when you don't understand a Punjabi native person, it's not always your fault because some people speak so messy. For example, one of my neighbor, he speaks so messy. Few days ago, when I was talking to him, and I couldn't understand. I asked him 3 times and I still couldn't understand. And yeah, it happens with us too. So it's not a big deal if you don't understand. You can ask them again. Next sentence is ki kiha. It means what did you say? Or tum ki kiha? Or tusi ki kiha? But most of the time when people speak, they eliminate this subject, especially when it is tung or tusi. They eliminate sometimes, not sometimes, I think most of the time they eliminate. They just say like ki kiha. Next sentence is ki kiha mainu sunia nahi. It means what did you say? I couldn't understand or I couldn't hear. Next sentence is मैं अजय पंजाबी सीखी जानना. If you are female, then you would say मैं अजय पंजाबी सीखी जानी हाँ. It means I'm still learning Punjabi. You will see in the books मैं अजय पंजाबी सीख रही हाँ. But it is a textbook type Punjabi. Nobody speaks like that. Next sentence is दुबारे बोल or दुबारे बोलो. It means say it again. ਕੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੁਬਾਰੇ ਬੋਲ or ਕੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੁਬਾਰੇ ਬੋਲੋ. It means what did you say? I couldn't hear. Can you say it again? Another sentence is ਕੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਈ. ਕੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਈ. It means what did you say? I couldn't get it. So if you want to know how to greet people in Punjabi, so you can click on the top right corner, so video is there. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna make a next video about present continuous tense. I'll explain in that video how to use present continuous tense, and I'll tell you the sentence structure of present continuous tense. I hope you enjoy the video. Bye for now.